I'm Nini, the entrepreneur. I'm the CEO and founder of a tech startup in the UK. In this video, I would like to talk about how I used my legal education to advance my business. The question is, what should you study in the university when you want to become an entrepreneur? I think studying business is not very useful because you can study business even on YouTube with courses or books or by talking to fellow entrepreneurs. There are also accelerator programs that can give you the basic knowledge you need. Also, in business degrees in universities, most of the times they give you outdated business knowledge that is applicable for traditional businesses and has nothing to do with modern tech startup world. So if you want to become a tech entrepreneur, have a tech startup, studying business in the university may not be very useful for you. So what should you study? I believe the most useful degrees for a tech entrepreneur are either computer science or law. Computer science, obviously, because you'll be able to build the business yourself, but it's only for people who are more technological, like they like to build technology. Whereas if you're more business minded, I suggest that you study law instead, because studying law is like knowing the rules of the business. There are so many legal nuances that you need to know in business, and otherwise you will negotiate really bad deals and you can pay a very high price for that. So as a result of having advanced legal education, I can negotiate amazing deals for my startup. I can do most of the legal work myself. I do have a lawyer when there are some complicated legal work to do. He gives me legal advice and he does some work for me as well. But I do most of the time consuming legal work myself, sometimes with the advice of lawyers, sometimes without. This way I can minimize legal costs for my company. I believe that it's a very useful skill to have as an entrepreneur. Also, as you know, at Simple Studying, we are building a platform for students to help them get high grades and have successful careers. Our mission is to become the #1 go-to platform for every university student in the UK and US. To create that, to achieve that mission, we had to start from something. So the first educational area that we chose was law. We started selling to law students at the beginning as a minimum viable product. We created a website with study materials for law students and tutoring sessions, and we started selling that at the beginning. And I was personally creating all the study materials and tutoring sessions and delivering it myself. That really gave us a head start and gave us the capital that we needed to build the platform. Eventually, I delegated all that content creation and tutoring work to my colleagues, and now I mainly focus on scaling the business, but it was really necessary for me to do all that work in the beginning to kickstart the business. In the next video, I will talk about how to scale your business. Stay tuned for my videos. See you soon.